So this is the OPZ and pocket operator combo rack, and it's really easy to put together, so I'll show you how to do that. First, you take a side bracket, and we'll just pick one of the cross brackets to put in first. Now there are three different cross brackets with very subtle differences. These two are the top and bottom pocket operator cross brackets. The top has a protruding section for each pocket operator. The bottom has an indented section for each pocket operator. So first we'll put on the top bracket, and it just slides in easily like that. Now if it doesn't slide in easily, just give a little bit of force and it'll go in. You just nudge it a bit, but usually it does go in easily. Now we've got mostly that set up. Now we take the bottom pocket operator cross bracket and slide that in. And again, it's just a little bit of wiggle. And then you take the bottom bracket, which is more straight with little teeny notches here, and that's used for the OPZ. And that goes in the front slot of the side brackets, same way. And that's the only one that reaches all the way down to the ground. Now these are called the locking keys, and that's what keeps this mostly the strongest it can possibly be. And you can slide them in with the flat piece against the side in each of these slots, and you just push them in from either side. You can push them in from the back of the unit or from the front, and you push them pretty tight to hold it. Again, goes there, that goes there, that goes there, and this last one, 6 of them in this unit, and now this thing is steady as a rock. Now to install the devices, we'll take the OPZ off its dedicated rack. You can say we're graduating from this, and put it into these slots that fit perfectly. And you can see the feet on the bottom fit into these small notches on the front cross bracket. So we'll fit that in there, and you can see it's really firm because it fits perfectly. Then we'll take 2 pocket operators, and these fit by connecting the wood right in between that small gap where the audio cables and batteries go. So we'll fit this one on the back left and nudge it down on there firmly, and the bottom fits right into the slot. Do the same on this side. Now this rack allows you to use the straight cables, unlike the other racks we make, which don't have enough room for the straight cables. And you just do a little bit of adjustment there. I like to turn the cable down, and there you go. The whole thing fits, and I'll turn that over carefully so you can see how everything fits. And that's it, the combo rack. Now you can perform all 3 of these together.